Crypto algorithmic trading. Let's talk about it. This used to be something that you would associate with some large institutions trading on the stock markets, for example, but it has actually become quite an essential tool for retail traders even, right? So enhanced APIs, you've got institutional adoption, cutting edge bots, all of this is really sparing crypto algo trading in a major way. So today, what I want to be talking to you guys about is what algo trading is all about, how it works, its benefits, the risks, also some of the key features to look for in good algorithmic trading platforms, the best algo platforms out there, right? 2025, and essential beginner tips as well. So if you like the kind of content on the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Let's dive right into what is crypto algorithmic trading. So this actually just refers to using computer programs essentially, and also mathematical models in order for you to automate the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies based on your predefined strategies, right? So some of the key components, they would require market data, where you have kind of these tools to analyze real-time historical prices, volume, order book, liquidity, etc., right? You also need a trading strategy, so predefined rules that are coded into your arbitrage strategy, whether you're doing trend following or market making, right? And then you have the aspect of automation, which is very essential, where you are able to then execute those trades and strategies faster than any humans can, and also without any emotional biases. And there's also a risk management element to all of this, where you are able to set up stop losses, trailing stops, circuit breakers to mitigate your risks, etc. So these are some of the things that you need to obviously be aware of. In addition to the advantages and disadvantages of algo trading, some of the best things about algo trading is obviously it is lightning fast in execution, typically milliseconds, right? You're looking at 24/7 market coverage as well without human fatigue. Removing that emotional decision making is really good because you don't have to FOMO in or, get taken over by the FUD. Also, you can backtest your strategies and optimize and diversify across multiple pairs and also different platforms, right? When you look at the disadvantages, of course, we have to talk about that. Sometimes it does require you to have a little bit of technical knowledge, but there are some algo tools that are very easy to use now. So maybe if you're good at math and coding, it might be a lot easier as well. But also risks of technical glitches are always there, downtime, API failures, all of that, high initial, sometimes an investment where you might need some software, some server subscriptions, etc. And also just the vulnerability to extreme market volatility, right? Over optimization, which can also, kind of result in these unexpected losses for you. But when we're looking at some of the best trading algo strategies out there, I would say you have things like trend following, where you're buying an uptrend, selling in downtrends based on just moving averages and indicators, right? So you can use tools like Binance API, KuCoin, trading bots, etc. You can also use strategies like arbitrage, exploiting those price differences across exchanges and multiple pairs. You need multi-exchange APIs like Kraken, Speedbot, etc. You can do market making, right, where you're providing liquidity by placing simultaneous buy and sell orders using fast APIs, low fees, OKX and Binance broker program, for example. You've got the high frequency trading strategies where you're executing thousands of trades per second for micro profits, right? Which you in turn hope that they would add up to something significant. You need ultra low latency APIs, Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, that type of thing. So some of the must-haves in terms of features in the crypto algo trading platforms that you want to be using is looking at their API performance. Guys, you need a platform with low latency, like I said, high request limits, stable uptime, essential for execution. There you've got real-time data feeds as well that you really need as a feature. Price delays equals missed opportunities. You don't want any of that. You want security. It's paramount, right? Cold storage, API key protections, compliance, all of that look for that in your platforms. Comprehensive documentation, smooth integration. If you're a bot developer, you need good docs. And then also historical data access, critical for backtesting and optimizing your strategies there. But some of the best crypto algo trading platforms that we can talk about for 2025, in my opinion, I've got quite a few here. So you just need to kind of think of what you like best, right? And kind of go with that. But you've got platforms like Kraken, Binance, KuCoin. You've got a lot of these have key features like REST and WebSocket APIs, futures APIs, sub accounts, high liquidity. You have quite a lot of these that have advanced tools and security as well, institutional grade features as well, good spot maker and taker fees on spot and futures pairs. That's what you want to be looking for. Additional tools that you might need in some of the bot platforms you can use includes things like CoinRule, BitsGap, CryptoHopper, Pluto.fi. They have good pricing models there. You can go check them out. Check out the link to the full article on our main site as well. But some of the things you need to always to be looking out for is risk management tips for, just making sure you're doing the right thing, right? So risk factors like platform downtimes, API failures, bucket crashes, high fees, overfitting strategies. These are things that you need to definitely be looking into. But if you want to get started with best practices, is choosing the right platform, right? Ideal points, Binance, Pionex, 3Commas, things like that. Test your strategies using historical data. You can use 3Commas or KuCoin bots that offer you backtesting, paper trading as well. Start risk free with the demo environments like Binance Testnet or Kraken Demo, for example. And you start small, right? With small amounts, deploying your capital gradually over time and monitoring the performance regularly as well. So, at the end of the day, crypto algo trading is legal in most places. Compliance is always good. Platforms, maybe you might need KYC or AML, and all of that sort of stuff. People interested in Python, C++, Java, some of the languages that are commonly used. Some of the best platforms, like I said, Kraken, Binance, OKX, that offer you low fees and rebates and high VIP volume algo trader discounts. So that's what you need to be looking out for. All the links to the best platforms will be in the description. So please do check those out, guys, and let me know which one is your favorite platform if you are into crypto algorithmic trading. And if you want to get started, the links are down below. Make sure you check out also our main site for the best cryptocurrency exchange reviews, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, all things crypto. If you want free resources and tools, you got it on there. If you like Web3 wagering, go check out smartcontractbit.xyz. The link is also down below. If you want a new fresh take on DeFi and really for free, go check out my book DeFi Millionaire, which is at defi-millionaire.com, or you can go to deficodes.com, hit me up and get into the mentorship program. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace and love.